In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT and Google Bard for social media content generation. Okay, how you can generate content for your social media using Google Bard and ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm using my phone to do this, and you can use your computer as well or your phone. Right? So if you have a Facebook page, a business page, a personal page, and you are finding it difficult to generate content, your page is not busy, is not active because there are no contents there, okay, you're finding it difficult, you can use Chat GPT and Google Bard to get a content calendar, okay, or series of content you can use for your social media page, business page, or personal page or profile, and your social media account will become active, right? So let's get started. We're going to work with a business page, okay? We assume that we have a business page and we want to create social media content for this business page, okay? So we're going to be as descriptive as possible, and we're going to tell Chat GPT about our page, what our page stands for, and Chat GPT to give us content, okay? Give us post ideas, okay, that we can use. All right, the same thing applies to Google Bard. Okay, so we're gonna say I have a Facebook page that sells and sells female bags. Okay, I post about fashion on this page, and I talk more on female bags. Suggest 5 posts. Suggest 5 post titles I can make for this Facebook page. All right. Can you see? We have 5 post titles. Trendy Tuesday. Okay. This Trendy Tuesday maybe is a day that you dedicated for posting trends. Okay. Unveiling Day must have bag style for your season. For this season, bag spotlight, the ultimate statement pieces to elevate your style. All right. So we have something here. Let's copy the prompt and ask Bard to do the same thing. Okay. Here we are, Google Bard. All right. Okay. Can you see? This has given us post titles. Okay. So at this point, we're going to ask Chat GPT to write a short post, not more than 100 words, on these post titles. Okay, write a short post of not more than, okay, of 100 words for these post titles above. Right, copy we send, let's ask Google Bard to do the same thing. Okay, can you see? Can you see? All right, look at that of Google Bard. Can you see? So Google Bard has given us 5 posts. We have that from ChatGPT as well. Okay, so ChatGPT even gave us some hashtags we can use. Okay, and you can even ask for more hashtags. You can say write 5 hashtags for each of the titles. Okay, you can ask for hashtags. Can you see? Each of the titles have 5 hashtags. Now with this, you have 5 different posts you can make on your Facebook page if you are into fashion. Okay, so if I'm selling bags, I have 5 different posts. So making a post will not be difficult anymore. Can you see the beauty of this? Now what you will do now is you copy this post. If you're using your phone, open your notepad, okay, or your Word document, copy it, read through. You can tweak it, edit it, and change some sentences if you want. Then you post. Okay, now you can go further by going to Canva. All right, get a Canva account, create a picture, okay, or use your brand picture or any picture of your choice. For example, since I'm talking about bag, I can use a picture of a bag to make this post, not meaning that I'm selling that bag necessarily. Or I can use a picture of a lady dressed with a beautiful handbag. Okay, so you can beautify your post further. Instead of posting it as a plain text, you can add an image or a video to your post, and you can use Canva to do that. All right, so with this you have 5 posts you can post each day. Okay, and you can as well use hashtags. Can you see? So the work has been made easy for you. You don't have any reason not to make your Facebook page or your social media handle active. With this, your work is 80% done. The rest is to copy it, edit it, get a picture and post. So what should stop you from making your profile active? All right, so let's try one more. Okay, let's assume that I want to post on my Twitter. Okay, so I'm going to say write 5 tweets on New Year resolution. Okay, let's assume that this is a new year and I want to make a post on New Year resolution, and I don't really have anything in my mind. Okay, but I just want to make a post. So, and I just go to Chat GPT and say write 5 tweets on New Year resolution. So I will copy this and I will also ask Bard to do this. Okay, so let's go to Bard. Okay, remember I said tweet, so it's going to come as a Twitter post. Okay, it's going to write it in a way that it's going to be specific for Twitter, although you can post it on any other platform. But because Twitter accepts short posts of maximum of that should be the 200 words or 150 words. Okay, then so this post is going to come specifically for Twitter. All right, so you can see that it has given me 5 posts with hashtags. Okay, let's check Bard. Wow, look at this. Even Bard went a bit further to give us images. Wow, can you see this? And some of the posts have hashtags. Can you see? So what you will do now at this point, just copy all of this, read through and choose the one you want. Okay, you choose the one that suits you. You can post it each day for 5 different days, or you can post it once the same day with the hashtag. So you can go further by using an image. Go to Canva or source for image and use it for your posting. And just like we saw here, Google Bard has given us images already. So you can see that you can use ChatGPT and Google Bard to get posts for your social media handles. Okay, whether it is LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, okay, any social media handle that you want, you can use Chat GPT or Google Bard to get it. I also explained how you can use Chat GPT and Google Bard to get videos for your TikTok and YouTube handles. Okay, just check around this YouTube page, you are going to see it, or you can send me a DM on it and I will send you the video on how to use Chat GPT and Google Bard to create videos for TikTok and YouTube. All right, so I hope you start creating content for your channel. Okay, content should no longer be an issue or a challenge for you, because you have a helper in quotes, which is Chat GPT and Google Bard. They can help you generate content and you keep your social media handle active. All right, so if this video is helpful, drop a comment, like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can as well share with a friend.